Hello and welcome. In this video, we will look at aggregate demand for gold and silver from the Perth Mint. Looking at a graph of gold sales for this year, gold sales were strong in the beginning of the year. However, spring sales severely dropped off, and while May and June had higher sales than the previous months, totals were still way down from 2013. However, we did see a big increase in August. August and February are the only 2 months this year that had higher sales than the same month in 2013. Looking at overall gold demand, in the spring and summer, gold demand at the Perth Mint took a major drop when compared to the same month sales in 2013. March was down 40%, July was down 56%, May was down 59%, and April was down 79% from the same months in 2013. We did see a 20% increase in August. However, there have only been 2 months this year, August and February, that have shown an increase over the same month sales in 2013. And when you look at the actual quantity of increase those 2 months, it is very small compared to the losses the other months. Overall gold demand for the year is down 195,000 ounces over 2013, a 39% decline. Looking at a graph of gold demand by month over the last 2 years from the Perth Mint, we can see that overall the demand is trending down. Looking at silver demand for the year from the Perth Mint, January sales were strong. Then we see a pretty large drop-off in the spring like we saw in gold demand. However, unlike gold, silver demand for the most part recovered in the beginning of summer, and August showed strong gains. This is a graph of silver demand by month of 2014 versus 2013. We can see that the graph is pretty consistent with the exception of a large drop in April. Silver demand in April was down 67% from April 2013. However, in August, the demand for silver was 819,000, up from 691,000 in August of 2013, an 18% increase for the month. Looking at silver demand over the last 2 years from the Perth Mint, we can see that the demand is pretty inconsistent. However, we do see the highs trending down. Looking at the graph provided by the Mint of gold and silver sales over the last year, we can see a big decline heading into the spring that begins to show an upturn as we head out of summer. So we can see that there was a major drop in gold and silver demand from the Perth Mint in spring that shows at least some signs of a possible beginning to a recovery. For the year, gold demand is down 195,000 ounces or 39%. However, August showed a 20% increase, and silver is down about 400,000 ounces for the year, a 7% decline. However, August sales were very strong, up 18% for the month. So while sales are down for the year, August is at least showing some signs of a recovery. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.